Jamaica went 1-0.
Yes.
Panama came 1-1. Jamaica went 2-1. In extra time, Panama came 2-2. And Jamaica penalty spot. Our goalkeeper saving a couple of penalties. And here we go, folks. We're in the World Cup once again. I don't know if you can catch this, Kadeen. This is in the dressing room. Oh, all right. They said they have it, yeah. And that was our ladies doing a version of our national anthem. It's fantastic. But let's look at that. So it was November 1997 that the Reggae Boys qualified for the 1998 World Cup. And now in October 2018, our ladies qualified for the 2019 World Cup. That was the final one. And boy, I can't imagine the feeling. Fantastic effort by our ladies. Congrats to the coaches, Hugh Menzies, Lauren Donaldson, Andrew Price, and all the support staff, and to the JFF, and to the president, Mr. Michael Ricketts, who can say that he was under his watch.
Yeah, man.
We qualified for another World Cup, so we've qualified for the senior men, we've qualified for the under-20 men, we've qualified twice for the under-17 boys, and now we qualify for the senior ladies.
Yeah.
We've never qualified for the Olympic Games. And maybe the next one we will get there. But congrats again to the ladies.
Babsy Grange, in her statement last night, said it was a total team effort. They represented Jamaica well. We look forward to welcoming them home and to their performance in France 2019. And I like Latina Minister because when the men qualified, there was much ado about something. Yeah. And I think the women deserve as much.
I think the difference with the men is that we qualified in Jamaica, which was a lot different.
No, well, I say when them come, for me, them at airport too.
Fantastic.
And motorcade them too.
Fantastic.
Session for them too.
I agree.
And Mr. Holness, everybody now wait for you for call the public holiday, but okay. No, true. Everybody now say, Andrew, call it. But Andrew not calling holiday on the election.
All right. Stayed on football, Usain Bolt, who is in Australia trying to start his professional career, scored a couple goals in a practice game recently. Apparently he was offered a contract to the Maltese Football League from the champions Valletta, and he turned it down. His agent says Usain does not wish to pursue this Malta opportunity. Where he is now in Australia, the team is the Mariners, and they're waiting for the Football Federation Australia to decide whether they will contribute to what they say could be a £1.63 million offer, $3 million US offer to Usain to play for the team. I wish him well. Well, I tell you something. Why we don't call him and make him play for Jamaica? Can you imagine?
I love Usain. No. I love him and I love the decisions he's making.
Well, can you imagine if he play for Jamaica? Especially in the Nations League now, we're playing some of the weaker teams. Why I know stadium with a cart just for yourself play. But if that's what he wants, I pray that he makes it.
Yeah, man, and him smart about it.
Yep.
Not trying to get himself in no contracts that's going to put too much pressure on him. He already go through all of that.
It says they offered him...
Do what him love, him doing what him love.
It says 3 million Australia, or it says 1.63 million pounds. But apparently the club is hoping that the Football Federation in Australia will put some money. But that's the one that he rejected. That's the one from Malta.
Yes, you're saying you work hard already. Now you enjoy yourself. Keep on enjoying yourself and do what you love. Do what you love.
We've had some fun so far, but this one, well, I guess it's good news for the Walters brothers, O'Neill and O'Brien. They were on trial for the murder of Connie Erskine. This was an attack in St. James at a service station back in 2016. Well, they were set free. It says apparently you have footage, this is what the judge says, you have footage that does not show the faces of the persons. Identification is your first hurdle, and if you can't cross that hurdle, what you have is of no value. And then she told the jury to come back with a not guilty verdict.
Because their attorney, Christopher Townsend, made a no-case submission in which he noted that one civilian witness was treated as hostile after denying that he submitted statements to the police implicating the defendants. So.
How you get to that weight now, man?
I don't know why them give never this toy. Why them give him this
Oh no,
toy?
I know if it is. Wait no, I don't for it.
Do you really know what to do?
It stopped though. That's it.
Do you really know what to do?
Yeah, then I mean just stop it.